Thanks for coming and thanks for watching. Let's get the camera on. Boom. There we are. All right. Thanks for coming to watch the Mr. Guru channel. Hopefully you click the subscribe button, click the like button. I haven't been doing reviews in a while, but I try to stay up to date as much as I can. And this one has brought me back out to do a review. I just had to do a review on this program. I love it. It's repairdesk.co. Repairdesk.co. This is for any small businesses or large businesses, one-man businesses, three-man businesses, no matter what size electronic business you have. This is perfect for you, and this is perfect for me. Um, I haven't seen any kinks. First of all, I'm just going to hit that while I'm already in the inside of this. I haven't seen too many kinks or anything that I can really add on so far. It's a 14-day trial that I'm going through, so I'm still fresh with it. I've been toying around with it, just using fake info and putting it in, just seeing how it works. I haven't tried with any of my real customers yet, which I plan on between today and tomorrow. I'm gonna fully try it out with some of my real time repairs. But let's jump right into it. Make it real quick, real sweet. It's a cloud-based program. Cloud-based program. In case you don't understand what that is, it can be plugged in right into your address bar on any desktop. So all you do is go into your browser and type in repairdesk.co, and it can work on any whatever program or whatever computer you have or whatever device you have. You can use this program, which is perfect. It also it's downloadable on the Apple Market. Unfortunately, and I'm upset about that. That is one thing I take that back. I can see as a development that is needed like right away. They haven't made it for Android. That sucks. Like you should be releasing that like very soon. Don't leave us out in the dark with Android. But anyhow, straight to the point. Um, the cost of it for the most part, once you go to repairdesk.co, you can see it. It's about $51 a month. That gives you 3 users, and everything else is unlimited, which is perfect. There's two other tiers of it. It's about $100 and a little bit more than that, and it gives you a little bit more range of space per store and per user. But let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm at the point of sale screen. This is the report screen. The reports and everything is pretty dope. It's all integrated. It's all real time. You can see the text, how they're doing, by the sales and so forth, the repairs. You can see all that in the overview, which is perfect for reports. Um, let's go into where we are in reports. The campaigner. I'm kind of jumped around because I started this review and it kind of blacked out on me, so I'm gonna start like midways and jump back. Um, Automated follow up email campaign. That's perfect. This is something, if you're familiar with these type of systems, that helps you get an edge on your leads and keep your returning customers, keep them coming back and understanding what you're offering. Of course, campaigns are important with your marketing plan and your retention. So this is something that's definitely a plus. It's all integrated within this program. You don't have to leave and use any other services anywhere. They have it right here. Um, your expenses. Let's get that going. If I can get that up. Manage expenses. Come on. Do. Excuse me, I'm on my tablet. I'm not on my computer this time, so I'm kind of, just manage with me. I had to really jump on and do a review on this. I really enjoyed using this when I seen it. The expense. This is where you can enter your expenses and keep track of what you're spending money on. It's kind of like a tally book, which is perfect. I love this. All right, that's that. So we're gonna go over to repairs, where you can manage. Let's get you off my screen. And this is where you can manage invoices. You can create invoices. Pretty simple, straight to the point. And right, as you can see, you can add a new customer here. Whatever information you want to add, the order dates and so forth, the pricing, discounts, taxes, everything. It's pretty detailed. If you want to change the payment invoice name right here at the top, you can do so right there. That is perfect. That's managing invoices. Now tickets is pretty dope. Now I noticed this. It was like one of the first things caught my attention. If you get a customer coming through the door, this is perfect because you can get as much detail as possible, like walk-in customers, so forth. And it's a ticket tracking system, and it helps the customer to keep track of their product once they leave you, and the comfortability, which is perfect. Credibility, accountability, everything helps with this ticket system, and that's perfect. It allows them to put in signatures before they leave out. It has a full checkoff rundown list for the device, as you can see right here, which is perfect and should be used. You can get the passcode over here. Make sure you get that, or a pattern lock, whichever you need. Whatever supply, whatever they leave, you can mark that off. Whatever's working on the checkoff, you can simply hit it here and hit X if it's not working, on the check-in, and then the green will be if it is working, and so forth. That's pretty dope, pretty simple. It's an accountability system. And at the bottom, as you can see, you can add off inventory items or whatever you charge, and then ticket items, whatever you need to add, which is pretty dope. Let's close that off. We don't need that up. But yeah, the ticket system, I like it. It's pretty simple, and it's easy for tracking and so forth. And it helps the customer with the integrated options to be able to track the whole repair from start to finish. So that's a pretty dope thing. Inventory, it's pretty simple, clean cut. It helps track and keep track of everything in and out. It's all integrated. It also has alerts to let you know when your stock is getting low. They're affiliated with a lot of distributors. So when your stock is running low, you can integrate with these distributors through this program, and you can place your orders right through this program. With an example, like Revamp Wholesale or Revamp Warehouse, whichever it is. They're integrated with this program. So whenever you need to place orders, if you have an account through that, the Revamp Wholesale, you can go ahead and place your order through here, or Injured Gadgets, which is here in Atlanta. That is perfect. That's who led me to this app, and thank God for Injured Gadgets. I love that place. But those distributors and quite a few other ones are integrated with this program. And that's perfect. I love that. Helps you save on figuring out who you're gonna place your orders through, and keeping your inventory up, which is important. Of jumping that competition curve. You don't want to be low on stock, and your customers rolling in, they need it like today or tomorrow. So, all right, that's a good thing. So let's see. I think I kind of overviewed and jumped through real quick and kind of showed you the main important part. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and sign out because I want you to be able to see the front page and just see what they pretty much offer you just alone. If I can get that to get off my screen, maybe not, maybe. All right, boom. Let's see. Yeah, integrations. That's what I'm looking for. Then it's a couple other things they have where you can set up your cash register, your employees clocking in and out. It's a full this whole program is a complete all one and stop for any small business owner, large business owner, or personal owner of any electronic shops. When I say that it's an all in one, I assure you it is an all in one. Give it a try. It's a 14-day trial. You cannot miss it in 14 days, Mr. Curve. That is more than enough time to realize if it works for you or if it doesn't. Yeah, PayPal. And to clear that up as a disclaimer, disclosure, I am not paid by them. I'm not funded by them. They're not giving me anything free. I have none of that. I'm doing this review based upon my usage and what I like about it so far. And that's the thing I do about my reviews with apps. I enjoy these apps. I love seeing helpful apps and developers create certain apps, and I love helping the process. So that's why I'm here. The PayPal, of course, is there. Bluefin is a POS. These are all POS systems. Stripe and Square. If you're familiar with Square, I've used Square myself. Pretty decent, pretty nice. I've had my problems with Square, but whatever. Not gonna go into that detail. Injured Gadgets, like I said, distributor. Mobile Centrics, a distributor. All of these are distributors. Revamp Wholesale, a distributor. These are people you can keep up your inventory with and place orders straight through this program, which is perfect. They got appointment calendar, of course. The repair tracker, like I said, that's one of the most important things that I like. You can place this on your website, so therefore your customers can keep track from the start to the finish of the process of the repair, right in their seat of their home or on their device itself, and that's perfect. That keeps that credibility up and accountability. The buyback widget, you can put that on your website. That's to help customers get quotes. If they want to resell products or resell devices that they have, it helps them do that without having to reach out right to you, which is perfect. The customer facing display, um, it allows the customer to see the detail. That allows them to place a signature on it to confirm and authorize what they're getting from you, which is perfect. And they can get the self check in widget. You can use that when customers come and check in. That's perfect. You got the unlock API. That's if you're offering unlock services, which is perfect. That's something that's new. I thought that was a great feature. SMS broadcast. This is another feature that's perfect. It sends messages to your customers as the process is going through, as communication has been done about the device. That process is being displayed to the customer, which is perfect. And nobody, want to be left in the dark with their $300+ devices. So that kills that. And it's quite a few other integrations they have, as you can see. You might want to check those out for yourself. Those are the highly, highly recommendable features. All right, so we're back. To finish this off, I was in the bottom end of it anyway, but I wanted to go ahead and finish the bottom end of this review. Give you guys a full review on it. Like I said, they've added a lot to this, and it's a lot for the full benefit of a small business owner. As you can see in the left tab, you can see the billing, the payment methods. Let's go to billing. And like I said, I'm on a 14-day trial. It's a legitimate trial. That's enough time. I enjoy that. I plan on using it full. And this way you can enter your payment method, your order status, ticket statuses. Everything is fully, laid right here. You can enter your suppliers, whatever suppliers, alternate suppliers you want to enter in. You can have a full log, notifications. You can control all that. Your cash register, configurations and everything. Your taxes, you can configure all of that in, put that into place. As we know, different taxes. We're here in Georgia, so we know how that goes. Expense codes, you have that. Employees, you can manage employees, enter employees, and you can manage their commissions, where they get paid, which is perfect. Set all that up, and that's most important. Keep a track of your payroll for the most part. And you have your security checks. This is where if you have certain, log in certain areas, checks you need to keep track of for employees, which is important with electronic business. It's a lot of valuable things being changed. So you got your unlock module, your widgets, repairs, tickets, everything, so forth. So it's pretty dope, man. I enjoy it. I just gotta say thanks to Repair Desk, like first and foremost, and the developers. I'll be more intrigued and more happy once I see the Android version. But this is enough. Like, this is perfect. I really enjoy this. Like, this was very perfect. All right, so again, I entered in basic information just to try it out. It's random information. I just was putting in just to see how it works, and I enjoyed it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully this review was enough information to intrigue you to want to try it out yourself, or hopefully I cover some things that answer the questions before you even try it. If not, leave some comments. I'd be happy to comment right below and give you the tips that I've seen out of it from using it. And like I said, within a day and tomorrow, I'm going to actually be putting it to use. I'm going to be using it with my current customers, and I'm running actively to see how it works for me, on a live level. But I've tested it through and ran it through a couple times. My tablet is dying on me, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But hopefully this helped you out. Again, thanks Repair Desk and everybody else that helped Repair Desk develop this. This is perfect. You guys keep it up. We needed this. It's 2018. Businesses need integrations and software and technology as much as possible. And this is a perfect stake in the ground. So thanks for cloud computing, cloud software, cloud programming. That is very perfect. I love to see innovation of technology. It's something that makes me happy. Thank you guys again. Hopefully this helped you. Click the like button.
Again, thanks everyone for watching my video. Please hit the like button, click the subscribe button. Hopefully it helped you out. If you didn't, leave a comment. If you did, definitely leave a comment. Catch us on MET Repairs on Facebook. Hopefully we can help you out in the near future. Thanks again.